Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go. I've been asked many times how to jack up the car properly. So I'm gonna show you how to get all 4 wheels off the ground. So the car will be on jack stands. Before I demonstrate you anything and show you how to do this, you have to make 3 promises to me. And if you're watching this video, this will automatically imply that you agree and promise to this. First, you will, if you work on one side and you're removing the wheel, you will put the wheel under the car for your safety. Second, you will check if the car is stable, and I will show in this video how to check it if it's stable. Third, and the most important rule, if you can flex it with your hand, the jack will break it. So do not put the jack or axle stands in a place that's flexible, even if it's meant to be in that place and it's all rusted. Don't. You agreed? So now I'll show you the points where you jack up if you want to just work on one wheel. Then I'll show you how to jack up all the car. Now let's start. I have a light so you can actually see. We're looking under the car. This is the front wheel. You see this? 2 notches right here. See, here is a bulge and here's a bulge. This is the strongest place in the car. You need to jack up from here. So here you jack up and put the jack stands. On the other side is the same place. On the rear is the same place. So where is this in the location to the car? It's right here. But always double check, and this is where you jack up the car. This is the place where you put the jack or jack stands, or sorry, axle stands. Jack stands, I don't know why I'm calling it jack stands. This is the rear door. You see this right here? They even made a cutout. See, there's a cutout. Here is a bulge right here. So you jack it from here. The rest is flexible, see? See, this moves. Here. This moves. This moves. This moves. Everything moves here. This is the only place. Now this is if you want to jack for each wheel. And it's the exact same thing on the opposite side. I'll show you on the opposite side. I'll leave the light here so you can see this jacking point. So, rear door, other side. Look for 2 notches. Right here is a notch, right here is a notch. See? Right there. I can see that somebody tried to jack it up from here. And this is what happens when you jack it up from the wrong place. See this? See all that? This is all bent and mangled and it started to rust. This should be here. Right here. You can see how bent it is, because that's not the jacking point. This is where you lift the car up, not here. Here. Now you see what happens when you incorrectly do it incorrectly. Some, excuse my language, fucking idiot did this and he ruined all of this. You can straighten this out, but it won't look straight and perfectly good. The jacking point is here. They made even a divot, see? There's a big gap for you to see that it's here. Dimples or 2 divots, here it is. So this is a jacking point. As you can see, everything's straight here. Now we are at the front of the car. I'll show you the front jack or lifting point or jacking point, where you can put 2 jack stands on the side. You should have a belly pan here. My one broke and I don't have it anymore. See this? From the front of the car, see? I have the license plate here from the car in the middle, right here. Basically it's in the middle of the car. This bump out here, this is the point where you put the jack and jack up front two wheels. So you can see it's in the jack. Now, check number one, check number two. Now, do you see that? That thing right there? That is the jacking point from the back. See the exhaust? And the exhaust, there's a divot. See that point right there? That thing. That's where you jack it up. This is the rear subframe. And from the subframe, that point is specially made for you to jack up the car. Remember, right here. You can see the car is on jack stands, and this can happen. I cannot move the front wheels. That means we have to lift this higher. This is where a block comes in. See, this is just a wooden block. As you can see, it's been used already. You put it right there. Let's go at the front and lift this one notch higher. Now you can see the wheels are off the ground clearly. And now always do this. That's not good. So that means there is no weight on this side. That it's not held up by this, it's on the wheel. The weight is on the wheel. So you need to jack this up 2 notches too, to be the same. Because right now, this side is not safe. If something happens, this is a failing point. But it won't fall because let's find mistakes I did. Let's correct it in the comments down below, so people who come watch this video can learn. Hope this video helped. I'll see you next one. Ciao.